Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your Alcatel One 2019, for the first we have to go for our calendar. Click right here. Click on the switcher and select event. Right now we have to add the title. We can set up here also other things. For example, we can add the note, add the notification, we can change the location. Of course, the main thing that we can set up the date and the time. And if you set up everything, you have to just click on the save button at the right upper corner, and as you can see, here is our event. It was created, and right now we can just adjust it or just delete, whatever you want to do. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.